This happened just now, and I can say with confidence that I finally fixed what I've been working on for the past few days. Oh no! The mic's been over here the whole time. Alright, this should be better. Um, I can say with confidence that everything should be good now, at least on the desktop version of OptiNote. Because the problem that I was having was I was trying to update the Firestore document live, what's on the screen, but what I was doing, it was conflicting what, with what, how can I say it? With what the other functions of the on-chain editor JS tool was using. So that was my biggest issue, was trying to tackle everything that editor JS was putting in front of me while also fighting with Firebase documentation and Firebase just like functionality. Finally, I did it. But the solution was so simple, but I think that I was just trying to overcomplicate it by going by like editor JS's rules, when obviously that wasn't going to work because it is its own entity, and really at the end of the day I should just be using JavaScript's capabilities rather than something else's capabilities. So I guess I'll show the code. Really, all it was all I'm doing now is this. Wherever I'm setting the note at, I'm just doing that. So it doesn't destroy it or do anything else. Because in theory, I don't really need to do all of that. All I need to do is just update whatever is on the screen to the Firebase document, and that's auto saving whatever is going on. And prior to me figuring this out, I was using like an on snapshot thing from the Firebase documentation, and it was giving me the updated real time data that I needed from the database, but in reality I needed to get the output data in real time. So I was stuck between two things that weren't communicating, and that was throwing me for a loop. So, and I knew that this right here, this mainly this chunk right here was doing what I wanted to do. It was updating what was on screen. It was doing everything that I need to do in the database. It's just that anything outside of these brackets wasn't being read. So all the changes, all the logic in here that I was making wasn't crossing over to anything else. So in turn, in this output data, the output data was behind what I was doing logic wise, because logic wise, if I would have done it out here, if I would have not had this and just console log that, none of this logic would have applied to output data.blocks. So it wouldn't really give me what I needed. So I haven't updated anything or done anything in the database, and I wanted to do that on camera just so I can like have this documented somewhere. But first, let me take a little drink. All right. So that's my cat. Okay. All right. Let me delete this and delete this. And then after I do all this, I need to vent a little bit. Yeah. Hmm. Wait a second. Let me think about this a little bit. Oh, let me bring that over here. Okay. What I'm seeing, what would be weird, is if I was if I what is that? Hold on, give me a second. Okay. Mm-hmm. Because my main thing is keeping this. That's all I want to do is to in the completed checklist. That's all I want to do is to emulate the structure of output data.blocks, but to also incorporate the how can I say it? Completed at an origin checklist ID. And in doing so, and finishing that, it keeps everything. So it should do everything I would like it to do. And it keeps its original stuff. That's good. Let me get this latest one. Yep, and that's different. And if I return it, everything's good. So, yeah. And just to put the icing on the cake, I'll go ahead and do the await thing. Oops. Let's just do that. Yeah, that already is empty. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and finalize everything. It's been a long time coming. Oh, that's what I was afraid of. Wait, hold up. I just remembered. That's what I was afraid of. So if I do all the... Oh, wait. Hold up. Alright, cool. So if I do all this... That's cool, that's cool, that's cool. But if I just start typing something... Does it lose it? It loses it. I might have to do the on snapshot stuff. Um, where is it? Where's the end of it? Cool. Now, I'm doing all this, deleting all this. Now, what I would do, I might do a font. Oh, whoops. What I would probably need to do is just replace the completed checklist of the output data.blocks with this. It's probably the only thing that I would need to do in theory. We can try it. Let me see something. Okay. Okay. Oh, whoops. Cause wait. Let me see. Okay. Boom. Yes, everything cool, completed. Blah, 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 blah. Cool. Now, let me just start typing a little bit. This goes away. All the data that I want goes away. But this still shows everything that I would like. Just to save time, and I'll talk about this later, but just to save time, I'm gonna co-pilot this, and what I'm gonna do, and what I'm gonna ask for it to do is to Um, I would like to replace the completed checklist in the output data dot blocks with the checklist from doc data. Oh, hopefully. Hmm. That's what I did already. Everything that's not that. Right. That seems reasonable. Okay. Look at all that. Okay. Now, just to test it, I would like to do this. Oh, it doesn't lose it. Yeah, it's already doing it. It doesn't lose it. And everything else stays right there. That doesn't go away for anything. Wow. I actually did it. Okay. Oh, yeah, it does that. I forgot. That's the only thing. Okay. I did it. I did it. Okay. A few things. A few things. One, I really had a lot of feelings before I started working today. And it was like, one of the feelings was I was scared that I couldn't figure this out. And that happens a lot whenever I'm programming. And I don't know if it's just because of everything that's going on in like the job market and everything else in programming, but how can I put it? I feel some sort of like added pressure to figure stuff out when really things just take time to figure out. But as I started like thinking over it a little bit more and like talking it out, like it didn't the I knew the problem wasn't really all that hard, and that contributed to me getting in my own head about finishing it because As you can see, it really wasn't all that hard, but I was overcomplicating it for no reason. So that's one thing, but also Copilot is a great tool, but it's led me down the wrong path many times. And I think it has something to do with how I'm articulating myself whenever I used prompts. So, for example, like if I'm not as descriptive as I would like to be, and even if I am, sometimes it's just going to mess up, and I can't take everything that it spits out as truth. I have to do my due diligence as a developer and actually read over it. Like, I know if that like sounds really basic, but it got to a certain point and it was like, all right, this problem is so hard that if I'm not sure if I'm really able to figure this out just yet. So yeah, that contributed to me getting in my own head as well. Like this whole ordeal, thankfully I'm done with the whole like editing document stuff for now. And the only reason, like the only thing that I would have to do with the document stuff is just like differentiating like the completed checklist from everything else. But other than that, like everything is squared away. So that's that. Um, Other than that, I, more may come to me. But all in all, I would just like to reflect on like the past week or few weeks that I've been dealing with this and use all this experience, all this like internal turmoil and everything as just motivation and just a reminder that like no matter how hard the problem may seem, it's always doable because like if it wasn't possible, the solution wouldn't even I don't know how to explain it. If it wasn't possible, it wouldn't seem so achievable. So it may take you like a few days to figure something out. It may take you to like just delete everything, start from a blank slate and just start from square one. And maybe like somewhere along the way you see where you messed up at. It may take a lot of things. But if you know that it's possible and you're able to achieve it. So that's really what I have for today as far as like figuring stuff out. Like I'm so happy that I'm able to like move on from this. So I can finally check this off of I can finally check this off of my like agenda and whatever. So I can finally move on to other stuff to complete this stuff. But also I need to fix the mobile version of OptiNote because as it stands right now, like the mobile version, whenever I try to type, I think the CSS is messed up because it's doing this menu this menu right here from the bottom of the page, and because my CSS also factors in this right here, the bottom of this is clipped out. So I need to fix that as well. Really, the things I need to work on are CSS things. After, I may address the CSS things first because that factors into like the usability of it, especially on mobile. The desktop version is fine. I just need to figure the mobile version out. But yeah, yeah, that may. Oh, I also finished that. Um, Let me read this next one. Add a go back to home button where save. Oh, should check if it's create note. If so, ask user. Honestly, wait, hold up. Hold up. This may mess a lot of things up. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Oh, oh. Okay. Okay. Create note is still factoring in the title and everything. So that may be what is on the docket. The CSS stuff. Oh yeah, that's the thing. I think yeah, that's it. I don't think it's the CSS part of it. It's the fact that it's zoomed in. Like, mm. um, I don't. Yeah, what would that look like? Would that also apply to Chrome? Let me read what they're saying. Because it sounds like. Then again, Android. Let's look over this a little bit more. This does more than disabling the auto zoom. Huh? Is this a text area, though? This is a div, not a text area. Oh, oops. Man. And this is something that I really can't test on like desktop. I have to test it on mobile. Like I have to upload everything to GitHub and test it on mobile because like this won't do what it needs to do. Let's try it because it doesn't look like this. Yeah, it should look like this, but it doesn't. That's messed up. Oh man. See, that's what I don't like as well. See, I don't know why it doesn't. It always acts up whenever I want to use it in this mode, and I do not know why. So I have to like do a little bit off center. That's stupid. mm. Oh, let me get rid of this console log. Are there any other console logs? I don't need. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, this can go. This can go. This definitely can go. All this can go. Oh, wait. Do I wanna? Yeah, hold up. I wanna use that. Wow, and I wanna use that. Where would I put this? I guess I'll just put it right here. Yeah, just put it right there. I think that's it for all of this. I can delete all that ref stuff up there. That was just confusing and aggravating. I even use ref to try to figure this stuff out. Quite the ordeal. Alright. Um, hmm. On change, do nothing. Wait a second. Wait. Yeah, all that can go. Mm. So the only thing. Okay. Um. Now let's look at why people can't. Oh, that's why. Because all that stuff is grayed out. Now it's on me to try to restore all that stuff. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm. Would this stuff even work? Oh, whoops. I messed that up. Boom. And boom. Oh, yeah, that wouldn't work. That would not work because of how I set it up here. Oops. Huh? Oh, it doesn't. Oh, that's cool. No. I just run it. Alright. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to not use this on snapshot thing to update the document. Because all it's doing is just running infinitely in the background. Like, no, I don't want that. That's stupid. Doc. Where's Doc at? Oh. Um. Hold up. Hold up. Wait, whoa. It'll probably be a for each. And then look through. Yeah. That's what it would look like. Oh, whoops. Well, I'm not sure that it would look quite like that because I haven't done that just yet. Yeah. That only does that if I do one of these. Oh no. It busted. Oh, wait. And that happens at the what? Yeah, that just complicates everything. So anyways. Okay. Then would it be? It would be. Probably would be that then. Oh no. This kind of looks ugly. I guess it's hard to see now. Hold up. Yeah, okay. Totally. Let's do first the block one. Not two. Let's do that. While I was doing all that. What? Mm. Hmm. Okay. That's what I would need to do. Yes, yes. All right. Cool. Mm. Yeah. That's what I would need to do. Yes, yes. Without it, um, updating infinitely, because that's a pain in the wallet. I wonder how much that racked up. Um, what? Did I just lose that? Oh, I lost it. Oh, wait. It wouldn't be that, right? It wouldn't be Note. Mm. Mm. Of these blocks. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right. Yeah, yeah. And all throughout here, I would have to set. Um. Yeah. Where else is it? Uh. Yes. Oh, I gotta find a different word for that then. Um. Mm, What can I name this to that would be applicable? I'll just let ChatGPT do it. Okay. Oh no. How much did I mess with? Okay. Here we go. No, 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 no. Yes. I think that would be it. Yeah, I don't think I would need to do that one. Now this one. Yes. Now, what would happen if I just started typing? That boom, 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 boom. That goes away. Now, where would I pull it from? It'll probably be finished. Let's try it out. Okay. Fingers crossed. I may have forgotten to do something. I'm not sure. Oh no. Wait. What? What would I be pulling that from? Oh. Wait. Up here, what did I do? Wait. What? Anyways, I don't want to do that. Yeah, I don't want to do that. What I do want to do is that. Mm-hmm. 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 Hmm. 302. Why is that reading undefined? Because if I'm why would that? That's odd. Hmm. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Oh, wait. That's what I want to do. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Yeah. That's the problem. Mm, I might be setting. Oh, wait. honestly, yeah, I'm probably gonna cut the stream short just a wee bit. Um, yeah, I've done a lot of progress today, and I think I have to like reinvent the wheel a little bit. Um, I think that's kind of like boring to watch. So I'll come back tomorrow when everything is working properly and everything. So yeah, but good day, good day, good day, good coding day. So, all right, thanks for watching.